All right, so this trade was taken around about 4 p.m. last night, so I was able to cut the trade. So between 4 p.m. to 4:44, so it made this move. As you can see, I'm on profit from here. All right, so the whole of this trade, I will be showing you how, where I altered the trade and what I did along the line. So from here, 5 trades was already running. So I decided to start moving my stop loss to break even from here. As you can see, I started moving all my stop loss. So this was where I moved my last stop loss to break even. So at this point, I was already risk free from the trade. I was no longer in risk again. So I was just, watching the trade and see how it goes. At this point, I took measurement of my targeted profit, where I believe the market will pump to. So this was me measuring it. So this is how I normally measure the take profit target, as you can see. So with this, I already know that how far the market is going to pump, so I can wait for my target. So guys, if you find any useful information in the process of this trade documentary, please don't forget to hit the subscribe button, turn on the notification bell to always get updated whenever we upload videos like this. Alright, whenever we upload more awesome videos. Alright, stay with me on this channel as we grow together in trading the forex market. Alright, so at this point, I switched to 5 minutes time frame to monitor another entry from this pump. So I was waiting for a break, waiting for the market to break past that red candlestick. The moment it break past it, I'll take another trade. So at this point, I took another 2 trades. So I set my stop loss, and then I started monitoring the trade. I trust this setup because I know that the market is going to actually pump to that direction because the move is very massive. At this point, it was looking like as if the trade wanted to go against me, but I trust this setup. So I just switched to 15 minutes to monitor the trade from here. So from here, we started watching to see how the trade is going to turn out. So as you can see, the market is getting close to our take profit target, you see. So from here you'll notice that some of our trade will trigger take profit right now. Just watch, you see. One of it I've just triggered the take profit. So from here I was already planning of closing the old trade. From here. Alright guys, so this was where I decided to close my trade. So guys, please, if you find this video helpful, consider subscribing to this channel, turn on the notification bell to always get updated whenever we upload new videos. See you in the next video guys. Bye.